There's one breathwork technique I find incredibly simple to train the mind to become quiet, to become more focused and therefore less distracted. And this is not some fancy, extremely difficult or complex breathing technique, but rather something really, really simple. Now, most people think they can calm down or escape stress just by thinking their way out of it. They think as long as they suppress these conscious stressful thoughts, these thoughts will automatically disappear. But in fact, the opposite is happening, because when you constantly keep suppressing certain thoughts, you're actually keeping them alive. And a lot of people also think that if they are watching television, they're lying on the couch and they think they're emptying their mind, like they're chilling, they're relaxing, they don't have to think about it. But in fact, when you watch TV, there are multiple frames and flashes and text that you see per second, which keeps your brain very active. So watching TV gives you a false feeling of relaxation. Now let's close our eyes for a moment and just think about nothing. Now, in these last 10-15 seconds or so, did you really think about nothing, or were you thinking about trying not to think anything, because then you're still thinking? And you see, it's incredibly hard to literally don't think about anything. Now this is where breath work comes in, because if we sit up straight and we anchor our attention to the breathing, so the sensations when the breath passes through the nostrils and goes into the airways, into the throat, and then into the lungs and into the belly, and also for the same way out. If we keep our attention focused on this, there's not much room to think about something else. So the breath is the perfect anchor to keep your focus and your attention in the here and now. Now we can also focus on like little aches and sensations in the body. Maybe you have tense shoulders, maybe you're clenching your jaw, or you feel like tension in the hips or whatever, or your feet is sleeping, without framing them being good or bad. But just acknowledge that they are, that those feelings are. This is also a perfect way to stay in the here and now and focus on the present moment instead of thinking about things all the time. And yes, during breathwork and meditation, we drift off, we think about stuff. Maybe you think about what you're going to eat for dinner this evening, or this nasty discussion with your boss yesterday. But the challenge here is to, every time when you catch yourself thinking, don't judge yourself, but gently pull your attention back to the breath. And as long as you keep practicing this, the moments of silence between thoughts become longer and longer, and you will feel and start to notice that it becomes more quiet in your head and you become more calm overall. And the same goes for other restlessness in the body and in the mind. In longer breathwork or meditation sessions, people often feel like their backs, they feel their knees, they feel their hips, or their mind keeps telling them that, why am I sitting here? This is not working, or I want to grab my phone, I want to do stuff. But try to sit with this, sit through it, and you'll notice after a few minutes it disappears. And that is where the real calm comes in. So we acknowledge the restlessness, but we don't act on it. So why is it so hard to do on willpower alone? Well, you've been training the opposite every day for years. But think about these moments when you wanted to grab your phone just to check what time it is. And you suddenly catch yourself after 20 minutes that you were scrolling on social media and you never even found out what time it is. Now, this is not a lack of discipline. This is a trained response. You've repeated this thousands and thousands of times, and therefore you trained your nervous system to escape the present moment the moment something becomes boring, repetitive, or uncomfortable. So when you finally decide to sit down and practice the mind to be still, you're not starting from zero. You're going against years and years of practicing the opposite. So you can't think your way out. You can only train your way out. Now, a lot of people experience a lot of restlessness during breath work. They have the urge to grab their phone, to get up and do stuff. They start thinking about a certain topic, or they think I should feel more calm, or I should feel like this, or I should feel like this. And then people become really frustrated. And the last thing what we want to do during breath work is become frustrated. So the moment this restlessness kicks in, so you want to grab your phone, you want to get up, or you get frustrated because you think it's not working, or you don't feel calm enough, sit with it, face it, acknowledge it, accept it, and pull the attention back to the breathing, because this is the real challenge, and this is where we can really train the mind to become more quiet. Now, what to expect over the coming weeks? Well, breathwork is not a quick fix. You can feel amazing during or after a breathwork session, but the real benefits kick in when you practice breathwork consistently every day, preferably twice a day. Now, the first few times, maybe it's even hard to sit down for 5 minutes or 10 minutes. But the more you practice this, the more you pull your attention back to the breath and make those silences between thoughts longer, the more you'll start to notice that it will be easy to sit still for longer periods of time. And with time, with the weeks, you will start to notice that during the day you feel way more calm and way more focused. I have recorded a 20-minute breathwork session built for exactly training the mind to become quiet, and the video should pop up in the left corner here. And if you want to learn more or dive deeper in this topic, my free community is linked below. Have a great day. Breathe well.